Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gajin Pratap Singh, faculty of BA GMC department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture topic of what is package designing. Package designing is the connection of structure, material, color, image, typography and regulatory information with design elements to make a product suitable for marketing. Its primary objective is to create a vehicle to serve the content, protect, transport, dispense, store, identify and a product in the marketplace. Ultimately, goal of packaging design is the meet of marketing objective by the destination communication. Consumer product personality of the function is generate sale. There are tens of thousands of different product line in the shape of the average marketplace department. Store, specifically stores, outlet and the internet or retail marketing side where the product provides a life of attractive consumer through their packaging design. The witness consumer choose worrying about product competitor that the turn of footers to need the marketing destination and differentiation. In the consumer society, product and the design of their packaging become the intertwined that the way of longer receive either separate object or ultimately object to necessity. Successfully packaged design in the fact create design planning, executive placement, promotion, advertisement, merchandising and distribution and sales are not part of the mix of activity involved to moving goods for producer of consumer. There are many organizations who believe that packaging design is important as the brand itself. The product packaging design play a very important role in branding your item in the retail environment. One thing that should be noted is that to the catcher the design is the more audience it will attract. A good packaging will also enable your differentiative product for your competitor. Every day be at key content come across penalty of package when you are shopping buy some personal product such like as a cloth, bag, perfume, shoes, etc. Packaging is a factor of consider before buying a product. A product with a excellent packaging with look more applying and attractive to the eyes. There the style can be differently impressive in buying decision. Generally packaging in the art of covering of packaging the item perfect packaging by a good packaging company like key container product the item from the exposed lines of damage during the process of warehousing or transporting. Lots of the top brand item use a kind of packaging known as innovation packaging design of their brand with the help of several packaging companies. Today there are penalty of packaging companies with the excellent packaging, service of affordable prices, package as energy drink in the thimble shapes an excellent example of innovation product packaging design. It is initial for you to know the appropriate feature of a successfully and effective design so that you are create a product packaging design which are the create a brand image that stand out from the business competitor. A successfully packaged design outer the including being the retailer enterprises you should always to give a reason to your audience showing why they are choose your brand over the other. Why to purchase statement permit you the attack your brand with your audience clearly the easily that why to purchase statement tell them you what are the brand of actually does. Basically the why to purchase statement out to the written a large of bold text. So sure this is way to purchase statement in suitable that is the front of your package. You should highlight the product promise statement of your brand at the top of the package. The statement should be informative and simple so that consumer out to know all the feature about the item to how to they take avail from it. Your packaging design should initially grab and attract the audience. Always remember that you are the good experience of the audience with your brand. Therefore, the structure design should create never to be forgotten introduction. The graphics design to the product should match the structural packaging. If it does happen that the potential audience will lose the internet's brandings, you can hire any of the packaging company to work on the graphic packaging of your brand. It's assure you that audience walk away with your brand in the hand. So I hope you understanding the topic of packaging designing. Thank you very much.